Exercise. They'll be able to sleep good tonight.
Can we do it again,
Tanisha.
Daddy?
She normally be the one to run the most.
Daddy, can we do it again?
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. All right, they going again. There they go. Getting a little exercise. Go ahead, Maceo. Go ahead. Go ahead, Maceo. Get it, Maceo. Oh, you cheating, Maceo. Okay, y'all will sleep good tonight. Once again. All right, let's go find some more.
No, Daddy, I want to do it by myself.
Okay, go ahead. Okay.
I'm just going to dance around.
You need to be the one. Hey, don't leave Maceo by himself. Go with him. They're getting some exercise. It was so hot. It was like 90 degrees here today. So now it's cooled down. They can run. And all the smoke from the fireworks, you don't have to worry about the you don't have to worry about the mosquitoes. All right, Marsh, you set, go.
Wait, let me go down there.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Daddy, I'm going to go down there.
Did you make it, Kayla?
I did.
Good job. There go Mace. Get it, Mace. On your march, get set, go. Okay, let's see who can make it. Okay. Okay. All right. Good job. Huh?
I'm dying.
You ready to go? Oh, he want to go one more time. He's got a lot of energy. He's a haul. Uh-oh. We got a late comer here. There's Kayla Rose bringing up the rear. Whoa, look at her go. She's fast. Look at her go. Whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at my babies run. Back in the day, I'd be out there running with them. But them days are gone till I get my new body. There's Kayla Rose. All right. Good job, Kayla. You're fast. On your march, get set, go. Okay, these are... All right. Oh. Your side hurting? Okay, good job. There go Mace. Get it, Mace. All right.
Can we do it again? Do it by myself.
You want to do it by yourself? Go ahead. Look at them. Look at the energy they got.
It's only me by myself.